The human brain is the most complex structure in the known universe. It contains billions of neurons that communicate with each other. How they do this remains a mystery. Recent studies offer a tantalizing possibility. Could the brain use quantum mechanics? In 2024, a groundbreaking study was published. It suggested that quantum entanglement could occur in the human brain. Quantum entanglement is a strange phenomenon. Two particles become linked. They share the same fate, even when separated by vast distances. This study hinted at entanglement happening within our skulls. Scientists observed potential entanglement in brainwaves. This finding could revolutionize our understanding of consciousness. It also raises more questions than it answers. The study was published in a prestigious scientific journal. It generated excitement and skepticism in equal measure. The brain is a noisy and chaotic place. Many scientists doubted that delicate quantum phenomena could survive in this environment. The possibility, however, was too intriguing to ignore. The study focused on a fatty substance called myelin. Myelin forms a sheath around nerve fibers. It acts like insulation on an electrical wire. Myelin speeds up the transmission of nerve impulses. The researchers proposed that myelin might also play a role in quantum entanglement. Myelin is rich in carbon-hydrogen bonds. These bonds can interact with photons, the particles that make up light. The study suggested that infrared photons could become entangled within the myelin sheath. These entangled photons, known as biphotons, could then influence the activity of neurons. This entanglement could explain how neurons synchronize their activity. Millions of neurons fire together in sync. This synchronized firing is thought to be essential for consciousness. Quantum entanglement could provide the mechanism for this large-scale coordination. The idea that myelin could act as a quantum conduit is still speculative. However, it is a fascinating hypothesis. It suggests that a common material in our brains could have hidden quantum properties. The study's findings align with a controversial theory of consciousness. Roger Penrose and Stuart Hameroff proposed this theory. It is called orchestrated objective reduction, or ORCH-OR. This theory suggests that consciousness arises from quantum processes. These processes occur within microtubules, tiny structures found inside neurons. The ORCH-OR model has been met with skepticism. However, this new study provides some indirect support. If quantum entanglement is happening in the brain, it could lend credence to the idea that quantum mechanics plays a role in consciousness. The research was led by Yongkong Chen at Shanghai University. He collaborated with Zeifei Liu and Ping Ao. They acknowledged that their findings are preliminary. Much more research is needed to confirm the role of quantum entanglement in the brain. The discovery of potential quantum entanglement in the brain has profound implications. It could change our understanding of how the brain works. It could also lead to new technologies. Quantum entanglement could explain the brain's remarkable efficiency. The brain uses less power than a light bulb, yet it can perform calculations that would cripple a supercomputer. Quantum entanglement could allow neurons to communicate much faster than previously thought. This discovery could also have implications for quantum computing. Perhaps we can learn from the brain's quantum tricks. We could design new algorithms based on biological principles. Finally, this research could shed light on neurodegenerative diseases. Myelin deteriorates with age. This deterioration is implicated in diseases like Alzheimer's. Could disruptions in quantum entanglement contribute to these conditions? The study of quantum effects in the brain is still in its infancy. However, the potential rewards are enormous. Further research is crucial. We need to unlock the brain's secrets and explore the universe within.